Yeah, children, you will need help of your parent. So any of your brother, sister, or mummy, daddy, you just keep them with you. Okay, just to draw a line. Then you will do on your own. Just to draw a line. Okay. Whenever you are ready with your index page, just tell me. I will show you the next. I hope you all are writing this on your own. Okay, because this is the very easiest thing. So write on your own. I'm giving you the time that's why only I'm giving you the time to write. Okay, because you all are grade 1 kids, so you will take the time. Arvi, I hope you are writing. Jaitik, are you writing? Vivan, Dhyay Patel, I hope everyone is writing. Okay, and everyone has to be ready with the dice also.
What, ma'am?
Dice.
Ma'am,
You have
done.
to be ready with the dice. You have the dice in Jodo Gyan kit. Done. Shall I remove the next page?
Ma'am, mine not done.
Buranuddin, take your time, huh? I will zoom it again. You all can take your time, but the thing is you have to write on your own. I don't want that parents are writing for you. Okay? Now you all are bigger kids. So you have to write on your own. Only the thing when you need to draw something or you need to draw a line or something when you are not able to, then and then only you take the help of your parent. Okay? The serial number is 5. Date of today's is 14, month of 6, June, and the year is 2021.
Done.
Now give the title that revision of all long vowels. Write the page number or on whatever on page number you are. Okay, I'm removing the next page. Yeah, I'm removing the next page. Okay, now you have to draw this. Where is just a second. Okay, give a title revision of all long vowels. Put the page number, put the date, and draw 5 columns as shown. Okay, 5 columns for 5 vowels. A, E, I, O, U. Write that. If you are not able to do, Veronica, I hope you are doing. Tell your daddy to make the lines.
I make two lines.
Okay, very good. Once you are done, just tell me. 1 second, huh, Sarthak?
Ma'am, my line
Yeah,
is done.
very good.
My line is done.
Nice. Okay.
A-E-I-O-U.
Yeah. Tell me once you are done with this. Okay?
Done.
Yes, Sarthak. Let's everyone do it.
Ma'am, done.
Done? Shall I remove the next page? Okay. Now, if you have written this A, E, I, O, U, just leave the space for dots. Okay? Like this. See. On vowel A, you are going to put one dot. On vowel E, you are going to put two dots. I, three dots. O, five dots. Sorry, four dots. And U,
Ma'am,
five
done
dots.
dot. Ma'am, done dot.
Veronica, you are doing so fast. I have shown just now.
Yes, I am very fast.
Great.
Ma'am, I am fast too. I'm done too. Ma'am,
Done with the dots? Yes.
in this dice there is only 1, 2 and 3, not 4 and 5. And 0.
Only three dots you have. Okay, no this, no that dice. The game dice.
Ma'am, my 0, 1, 2, 3 and 2 and 0. My game dice is my mama is मेरी मम्मी
Okay,
ने
so
तो
you
वो वहीं
can
पे रख
write.
दिया है, पता नहीं कहाँ रखा. Dice game की.
It's okay. It's okay. You will write the words which I will tell. Okay? Don't worry.
मेरे पास वो
And
dice
children,
है, लेकिन मम्मी ने
the
कहीं पे रख
dice, I am talking about that dice that will have 6 of dots. 1, 2 of other sides, 3 of other sides, 4 of other side, 5 of other side, and 6 of other side. That dice you will need. Huh? That is available in your Jyotigyan kit.
5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
We have written 5 dots and the number 6 is free. Okay, I will tell you the rules. Don't worry.
Ma'am,
Done clear?
My number
Yes, dear. Yes, Veronica. In Jodogyan kit, you will have your dice. Okay. Shall we start?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. So now you have done with the format. You have given the dots. You have given the names of the column. Okay. Now what you will have to do, you are going to roll the dice. Okay. Suppose you have rolled the dice and you got number 2. You got 2. Okay. This is up to you. See, I am not rolling for you. You are only rolling for yourself. Okay. So suppose you have got 2 dots. What, Veronica?
My dice number 2.
Wait. I will tell to roll. Okay. So suppose you have got 2 dots. So where is the 2 dots on your book? On vowel E. Okay. On vowel E you have 2 dots. So what you will do? You will think about the word which is having long vowel E sound.
I have not a dice.
Baby, how come? Check your Jodogyan kit.
I have check only.
Okay, so what you can do, you just make a chits. Those who don't have dice can make a chits, small chits of 1 dot, 2 dot, 3 dot, 4 dot, 5 dot, 6 dot, and instead of rolling the dice, you will throw the chits on the floor and select the one chit that will give you the dot. Okay,
My dice is
make
zero.
it fast. Okay, so children understood what you have to do. Suppose you have got number 2 dots on the dice. Okay, so where is the 2 dots given? On vowel E. So you will have to think about the word of which is having long vowel E sound, and you have to write in your notebook. In which column you will write? The column which is having 2 dot and E vowel written over there. Okay. Okay, so do it yourself. And if you don't know the vowel, if you don't know the words, if you don't know the spelling of the particular word, you can tell me, I will help. Okay, now you can start playing. Okay, keep playing this. Keep playing this. I will tell you one more example that I am rolling the dice. I got 1 dot. So 1 dot is given on vowel A. So I have to think about long vowel A is bake, bake, bake. So I will write BAKE, bake in the first column. Okay, got it? Very good, Nihal. Nihal has already made a checks. Very nice. Yeah, very good.
Ma'am, I
Okay.
will not cheat.
You have dice, no?
Hello.
The
I
chits is
will
for
die. मेरे
you
पास
play with
dice है.
dice. Those who don't have dice, they will play with chits.
Hello.
Yeah, Veronica, I'm listening. Okay. Yes.
I got 4.
Yeah, you got 4. So 4 dot is on vowel O. So think about long vowel O word.
Lord. I think Lord.
Hmm. You have number 4, no?
Yes.
4 dots. Then think about long vowel O words.
I think Lord. Lord will come or not?
Yeah, that will come. Node. Very good. Okay, and number 6 is free. Okay. If you got number 6 now, it is free choice. If you got number 6, you can select your own vowel and write the word. Okay. Number 6 is free choice. If you got number 6, you can select your own vowel, your favorite vowel, and you can write your favorite word. Got it? Okay, keep playing. And if you have any confusion, tell me. If you don't know the spelling, if you don't know the word, I will help you out.
Ma'am,
Hmm?
I write one word.
Which word?
I have 4 and O boat.
Yeah, then think about long vowel O word, which is having long vowel O word, in which one vowel is working. Yes, very good. Very good. So write the spelling of 4 in your notebook. I will show you the answer afterwards. Okay, how I have written. Yeah. Kiara, any confusion, baby? No? Are you doing? Okay.
I
Yes.
can't think of I. No, ma'am.
I.
Yes.
Okay, you got I. So you have the word kite. Kite.
Ma'am, I
Kite.
cannot
So
think
this is having
of you word.
E sound.
Of you.
मैम कितने वर्ड लिखे?
Kite. Kite.
Ma'am, I
Yes,
cannot
Rachit.
think of you.
Sorry.
Ma'am, news.
What happened, Rachit?
मैम यू से क्यूट आता है.
Yes, yes. Cute is there. Very good. Cute. अगर आपको वर्ड में यू साउंड सुनाई देता है तो वो वर्ड आता है. ओके. क्यूट. क्यूट. अगर ओ साउंड है उसमें ओ ओ ओ आपको सुनाई दे रहा है तो वो वर्ड भी आएगा. अगर आई में आपको आई ई सुनाई दे रहा है तो वो भी आएगा. अगर ई है तो आपको ए या ई सुनाई देगा तो वो भी लॉन्ग वोवेल वर्ड में आएगा. और अगर ए में आपको ए सुनाई दे रहा है तो वो भी लॉन्ग वोवेल वर्ड में आएगा. ठीक है. आपको अगर वर्ड नहीं आता है तो भी मैं हेल्प करूंगी. आपको अगर वर्ड का स्पेलिंग नहीं आता है तो भी मैं हेल्प करूंगी. ओके. किया कथीरिया डूइंग.
What is E long sound?
E long sound will like E,
मैम
D,
I got.
ओ
C.
मैं क्या करूं?
एक्सक्यूज मी
मैम मुझे स्पेलिंग नहीं आ रहा है.
111.
मैम
Wait, Pransh. हाँ, wait, Pransh, V1, wait. Yes, Sarthak. What happened?
मुझे है ना वो नहीं लिखा है. वो मुझे नहीं आ रहा है स्पेलिंग.
4 का स्पेलिंग.
हाँ.
4 का स्पेलिंग इज FOUR. Number
Okay.
4 का spelling is FOUR. Yes, Vivan, what you were saying? Vivan, are you saying something?
Yes.
Yes. Tell me, what happened? Okay, Pransh, tell me, what happened?
Nothing.
Okay. It will take time, huh? Don't worry.
मैम
हाँ, हाँ.
long vowel long word.
हाँ, हाँ. Which number you got?
2.
Number 2. Okay, so number 2 is vowel E. Okay.
टीचर यू में मैं क्या करूं? यू में मुझे स्पेलिंग नहीं याद आ रहा है.
Wait, huh? I'm telling you, Sarthak. Wait. Okay, so V1 number 2 is vowel E. Okay, so vowel E से आप कोई भी word सोचो. Suppose eat, B, C. Okay, that will be the word you can write in your column. Okay, Sarthak आप
यू से मुझे स्पेलिंग याद नहीं आ रहा है. यू से यू.
हाँ सार्थक अभी मैं आपको बता रही हूँ. U से you can write tune, 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 tune. Okay.
मैम
Now roll the dice again. सिर्फ यू का अकेले का नहीं लिखना है. You have to write the words and you have to roll the dice again. Again you have to write. Again you have to roll the dice.
मैम सोच नहीं मेरा
Wait, हाँ रचित wait. Yes Khadija, what you were saying?
मैम मेरा 3 आया तो मैं आई से आइसक्रीम लिख सकती हूँ.
Yes, you can write.
थैंक यू मैम.
Yeah. Okay. Yes Rachit.
मैम मुझे ई से नहीं याद आ रहा है.
E से eat, B, C. Okay.
बी
Done?
No. B. I can
E से
write
फिर
B.
आपको दूसरे वर्ड है even, delete, tree. There are so many words. Think.
3.
हाँ, tree. उसमें in each word you will have a sound of long E. Okay, the E will sound like E, E. Okay, those words are long vowel sounds.
टीचर वो से मुझे याद नहीं आ रहे थे.
Which one?
ओ से ओ.
O. O say you can write yolk, egg yolk. Yolk.
E sound.
Sound cat.
Yes, here.
A
What
sound
happened?
cat, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Wait, Pransh. Yes, here. What you are saying?
A sound cat.
A sound से word
A
बताओ.
sound.
Okay, long vowel
A
A.
sound cat. It sound cat.
Cat is a short sound. No, baby. Cat is a short sound. Okay. There will be the 4 letters in which 2 vowel is there. उसमें 2 vowel आएगा. उसमें से एक साइलेंट रहेगा और एक का A साउंड आएगा. ठीक है. सपोज फॉर एग्जाम्पल बेक, केक, ऐसे. ओके. कैट विल बी द शॉर्टर साउंड. कैट भी एक का ही साउंड है पर वो शॉर्ट है. हमें लॉन्ग लिखना है. ओके. Okay. If you don't know the words, I will tell you the words. Okay. Think about the words. Yes, Pransh.
I wrote 3 times. One leg, bake, and make, but again one I can't think. What do you call?
Bake, cake, came. You can write came. C-A-M-E. Came. किया कायरा आपका हो रहा है. First tie your hair. It is coming on your face. Yes, Kia Kaira. Are you doing? Show me a thumbs up if you are doing.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Okay. What happened? Nihal is playing with the chits like anything. If you throw the chits like this, it will go here and there in all the room. Yeah, so you sit on one place, do like this, and throw like this.
No.
So it will be gather here
No.
on your place. Yes, Khadija.
मैम ए से एक आ सकता है. एक.
A say act, हाँ.
मैम. ओके
Yes,
मैम.
act. Very good. Yeah.
भी मैम.
Yes, Burhanuddin.
We can write in I.
Mice.
My.
M-Y, my. Yes. It is also a long vowel sound. My, by. Yes. You can write it. I was like, it will be tough for you, but you all are doing very nicely, huh? I will clap for you all.
Ma'am.
Ma'am.
Yes, yes. Stay.
Ma'am.
Say, Veronica, I am listening.
और कितने कितने स्पेलिंग लिखना है?
You can play with your whole page. The whole page is yours. You can play it. all day?
मैम मेरे तो थोड़े हो गए और कितने करने हैं?
देखो वेरोनिका, एक पेज है, ठीक है, हमने एक पेज के लिए ही कॉलम बनाए हैं. यू हैव 5 minutes more. आप 5 minutes के लिए और ज्यादा खेल लो, ठीक है?
ठीक है
And those
मैम,
who
लेकिन
keep, yeah, those children who left, I will show you the answers. Okay, but half of the page you have to complete.
ओके मैम.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I have 11 lines. Okay. So suppose you have 10 lines, you have to finish till 5 lines.
ओके मैम.
Wait, huh, Pransh, wait.
I 4 lines. 4 lines. The book.
हाँ बोल.
मैम यूज.
Pransh, say.
टीचर मुझे आई से याद नहीं आ रहे हैं.
I say you can write kite,
Come to
kite, K-I-T,
what will
kite. Yes, Vivan.
not I.
You say
E say you can write even, even, tree.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Pransh.
ये मैं कुछ बोलती तू नहीं देता.
Whose microphone is on? Arvi, say what happened.
आप बोल रहे हो ना, कुछ अच्छी तरह
हाँ?
से सुनाई नहीं रहता.
You can pin me.
आपको
आप मुझे पिन कर लो, मे बी नेटवर्क इशू हो सकता है.
मैम
Yeah, आप पिन कर लो.
मैम ये साउंड नहीं आएगा. ये साउंड
एक 1 minute, हाँ रचित, 1 minute. हाँ, हिया.
ये साउंड में ट्री आएगा ना?
हाँ, ट्री आएगा. Okay, रचित, say what happened.
ए से नहीं समझ आ रहा.
A say you can write bake, B-A-K-E, bake. You can write cake, C-A-K-E, cake. एक मिनट सार्थक. You can write came, C-A-K-M-E, came. Then you can write cave, C-A-M. Sarthak, wait. Yes, Rachit, you can write C-A-K-M-E, came. Yes, Sarthak, what happened?
इससे मुझे याद नहीं आ रहा है. आप 3 बोलो ना.
I say you can write like, L-I-K-E, like. L-I-K-E, like.
मैम उसे लिख सकता हूँ नॉट.
1 minute, हाँ रचित, where are you?
मैम मैं और से नॉट लिख सकता हूँ. अपन नॉट मानते हैं वो वाली नॉट.
Sorry, O से क्या?
नॉट लिख सकता हूँ एंड नॉट.
Nut is a short sound. We have to write long sound. Nut will not come. Think about other word.
मैम आई ऑल्सो डन.
Very good, Riyansh. Children, you all can send me this pic, okay? You all can send the pic of this activity. I want to see whether you have written correctly or not. Even I am going to send